easy as 1, 2, 3 eyelash extension at home. Look at that. One more. Don't be jealous, guys. This is just me, Crystal. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. Welcome to the old-timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi, it's Sunday and I'm back. So today we're going to be doing a sponsored video. This is sponsored by Moitié Cosmetics. Yes, they sent me this very beautiful PR package and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. If you don't know Moitié, Moitié is a cosmetic brand with this famous 10-day lashes, which is so easy to put. You can put it in under 15 minutes. Yes, easy as 1, 2, 3 eyelash extension at home. If you're a fan of eyelashes extensions, this video is for you. Let's open up this box because I'm so excited and I know that you are too. I actually took out the tape, okay? So, it's your new BFF, 10-day lashes. So 10-day lashes, we should pop the champagne, but I don't have a champagne now. Yay for stress-free mornings, beauty routines cut in half, and 10 days of pure bliss and beautiful lashes. Yeah, so I can't wait. So I have this Beverly Hills Lash, New York Lash, Paris, and this is the normal lashes, I think. They also send me a bag and this pack that we need to open. Thank you for supporting a woman-owned business. Oh, so didn't you know that the founder of Moitié is a woman, okay? For woman, by woman. Woo! So let's open this up. Wow! More lashes, guys. So I have more. This is Paris. Wow, that's a lot of lashes. Okay, these are the instructions. This is the bag full of goodies. So this is on this bag. So this is the Super Lash band. This is the sealing thing. So this is the removal gel. So inside the kit is also this one. This is a lash applicator and its color gold is very glamorous. Love it. So I'm just gonna read the instructions, okay? So this is the 10-day lashes application instruction, which is so nicely done in color pink. Love it. They're very generous because they gave me a lot of lashes. I have 7 lashes, guys. And the kit to put the lashes. I'm such a lucky person. Anyway, what should I use? What do you think? Or Beverly Hills? Or Paris? I'm very confused now. Everything looks so nice. Look at that. So first step is you have to clean your lashes, which I already did. And second step is we have to put this Moitié bond. Okay, they said you have to put generous bond on your natural eyelashes. So that's where we're gonna be sticking the lashes. Okay, don't put it on your eyelid or under your eyelashes. Okay, so let's start this now. Oh, it's just like an eyeliner though. It's very cute. I love it. It's color pink, the packaging. I need to use a mirror because I don't have a mirror here. So I'm just gonna put it on my lashes. So it looks easy though, like an eyeliner, guys. But it's on top of your lashes. So they said put a generous amount and don't put it on your eyelid, don't forget. So I already put, I hope, generous amount on my eyelashes on top, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I have to put my lashes. And I choose the Paris. Hashtag Paris. Because why not? Emily in Paris. So anyway, what we do is, we have to put this from the outer side to the inner side with this glamorous applicator, okay? Yeah. So I also have to put a bond in every segment. So the good thing about Moitié is, they have 5 segments. Yeah. So you can put 1 segment there, second, third, fourth. Yeah. So let's do this. So I want to grab the outer one on this side. Okay, so this is the one. It's quite easy to take out. So I'm gonna put the band on this one. Okay. And we're gonna put it on the outer corner. Wow! Charan! Wow, this Paris is quite long, but look, it's thick there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, we have to continue with the next segment, okay? Look at that. Okay, one more segment. I'm only putting 4 because 5 I think is too much. So this is the last segment I'm gonna put on this side. Wow! Look at that! Amazing! So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna squeeze them again so it's there, okay? So I just squeeze it together. So we're gonna start putting the lashes on this side, okay? So same as usual, we have to put the bond, and then we're gonna take the segments one by one from the outer corner to the inner corner. Okay, first one is in. So this one, if the glue sticks on the applicator, you need to have some wipes. So I always wipe it out so it's clean on the next segment. So this is my first time applying this, okay? I never had a DIY extension at home, okay? But I think it's very easy for me to put it. Yeah, I never had a problem. I only needed to clean this because some of the glue stick on the applicator, okay? That's it. Wow, that was fast. One more to go and we're done, okay? Yeah. Okay, last. I'm just gonna squeeze in together on this side. This is just me with my lashes, okay? So this is the Paris Moitié. And now what we're gonna do is, the last step for this is, we're gonna put this. So this is the sealant, okay? So the sealant makes it dry faster, and also it's gonna band it for 10 days. So let's put it, so we're gonna put it just like a mascara. So it's under. Voila! You can really see the difference. My lashes are more defined, of course, because I have a very nice lash extension, which is the Paris by Moitié, of course, it's there. And I believe them, it's under 15 minutes. I find it very easy actually. I didn't actually struggle. Just sometimes the glue gets onto the applicator, but it's easy peasy. You just need to have a makeup wipes for that. So you just take out the glue and then you continue doing it. Oh my god, that looks so fabulous. You can see the difference. Look. Yeah. So now what we do is, we're gonna do some tests for these lashes. I'm just letting it dry. So these lashes, it's so good. You can put it in under 15 minutes and you can have these lashes for 10 or more days. Yeah, 10 or more days. Yeah, It's very nice. I didn't struggle doing it. I find it a bit easy. Yeah, easy peasy, yeah. I love it. So the good thing about these lashes, it's handmade, it's hypoallergenic, and it's also vegan. And it doesn't damage your lashes. Yeah. And you know what I figure about these lashes also? It's quite soft. Yeah, it's just like your real lashes. And the very best thing I figure is, it is lightweight. It's like wearing nothing. No, I'm not joking. Look, I had a lot of eyelashes extension before, and I get like irritated, you know, and it gets itchy at some point, especially when you have the cluster ones. This is like a cluster because it's segment, but you don't feel the same way when you have actually the extensions. It's very light. It's like I'm wearing nothing. It's good. I think you should buy a Moitié lashes. I believe in this brand. It's a good brand because I tried it. So these lashes, when you use it for 10 days, it's non-reusable, okay? Don't put it back because you can't. Yeah, you need to get a new one. Okay, now we're gonna do some testing for these lashes because why not? So what we do now is, the first test that I'm gonna do is the tug test, okay? We need to check if it's gonna come out of my eyes or not. Not eyes, my lashes, okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, tug test. Nope. 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 It doesn't come out. The second test that we have to do is, we have to blow dry my eyelashes. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, my hair actually moved, sorry. But the lashes didn't. I mean, it moved up, but it didn't come out. That's good. Good sign, guys. One more. So we're doing the one last test. This is to prove that these eyelashes extensions are 100% waterproof. What do I have here? Water. Okay, let's spray it. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. See? It's still there. One more. Hey, that's a lot of water. Still there. I spray a lot of water. So it is 100% waterproof. Not my makeup. Yeah. Still there, guys. Okay, we did the unboxing, the application, and the tug test, the blow dryer test, and the waterproof test. Moitié passed everything. Yeah. So verdict is, I think these lashes are worth it with the price and everything. And I'm gonna have a beautiful lash for 10 days, guys. 10 days like this. Beautiful inside and outside. It's me. Anyway, I think this is really a good product. First of all, it's very lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on my eyelashes. Yeah. It's easy to use, easy to apply, and you have lashes like that for 10 days. I'm gonna have this 10 days. This is my look. Don't be jealous, guys. This is just me, Crystal. I think you should try it too. This is it, Pansit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my honest review of Moitié Cosmetics. Anyway, stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friendly Titus of Manila that lives in Singapore, saying ciao, arrivederci. See you again next week. Bye-bye.